Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Madinah Arabic Reader Book 1. We're going to revise pages 1 to 16. First lesson, Ad-Darsul Awwal. Lesson 1, Hada. The ha in Arabic is called Ismun Tanbih. Is to gain the attention of somebody. So ha is like saying hey in English. Hada, and this means this is. Yeah. Hada Baytun. This is a house. Hada Masjid or Masjidun. This is a mosque. هذا باب. This is a door. هذا كتاب. This is a book. هذا قلم. This is a pen. هذا مفتاح. This is a key. هذا مكتب. This is a desk. هذا سرير. This is a bed. هذا كرسي. As you can see, the endings of each noun here has a tanween. Next page. ما هذا. What is this? ما هذا. What is this? هذا بيت. This is a house. أهذا بيت. Is this a house? نعم. هذا بيت. Yes, this is a house. Here we have a hamza, and it's called hamzatul istifham. It's the hamza of asking a question or interrogation. أهذا means is this. Next, ما هذا. What is this? هذا قميص. This is a shirt. أهذا سرير with the hamzatul istifham. Is this a bed? لا, no. هذا كرسي. This is a chair. أهذا مفتاح. Is this a key? Again, we have the hamzatul istifham. Is this a key? لا, no. This is a pen. ما هذا. What is this? هذا نجم or هذا نجم. This is a star. تمرين, exercise. We did this earlier. ما هذا. What is this? The answer would be هذا مكتب. This is desk. ما هذا. What is this? The answer هذا سرير. This is a bed. ما هذا. What is this? هذا كتاب. This is a book. ما هذا. What is this? هذا باب. ما هذا. What is this? هذا بيت. It continues. We've got the hamzatul istifham, the hamza of interrogation. هذا بيت. Is this a house? The answer would be نعم, yes. هذا بيت. هذا قميص. Is this a shirt? Answer would be نعم, yes. هذا قميص. Question here. هذا مفتاح. Is this a key? لا, no. هذا قلم. This is a pen. هذا نجم. Is this a star? The answer will be نعم, yes. هذا نجم. And these, we've just been through most of these just now. We'll bypass that. We'll go to the next part. The new word introduced here is man هذا. Who is this? Who is this? Man means who. هذا, this. Who is this? من هذا. Who is this? هذا طبيب. This is a doctor. من هذا. Who is this? هذا ولد. This is a boy. من هذا. Who is this? هذا طالب or طالب. This is a student. أهذا ولد. The hamzatul istifham, the hamza of interrogation. Is this a boy? لا, no. هذا رجل. This is a man. Continuing. من هذا? Who is this? هذا تاجر. This is a merchant or a businessman. ما هذا? What is this? هذا مسجد. هذا كلب. This is a dog. أهذا كلب? Is this a dog? لا. No. هذا قط. This is a cat. هذا حمار. This is a donkey. Page number 9. أهذا حمار? Is this a donkey? لا. No. هذا حصان. This is a horse. وما هذا? And what is this? هذا جمل. هذا جمل. This is a camel. ما هذا? What is this? هذا ديك. هذا ديك. This is a rooster. Again, the word here again, من, not forgetting it means who. من هذا? Who is this? هذا مدرس. This is a teacher. تمرين, exercise. اقرأ واكتب, read and write. ما هذا? What is this? هذا قلم. هذا كلب. This is a dog. من هذا? Who is this? هذا طبيب. This is a doctor. هذا جمل. This is a camel. هذا ديك. Is this a rooster? نعم. Yes. هذا كلب. Is this a dog? لا. No. هذا قط. This is a cat. هذا حصان. Is this a horse? لا. No. هذا حمار. This is a donkey. هذا ولد. Is this a boy? نعم. Yes. من هذا? Who is this? هذا رجل. This is man. In this lesson, points to remember. In this lesson, we learn the following patterns. What is this? ما هذا? This is a book. هذا كتاب. Is this a house? هذا بيت. Yes, this is a house. نعم. هذا بيت. No, this is a mosque. لا. هذا مسجد. Who is this? من هذا? Note, هذا is pronounced هذا, but it is written without the first alif. It's not alif here, but here. This is how it's read, but this is how it's written. Arabic has no word corresponding to the English is. Yeah, we don't have a word for is in Arabic. We'll go into detail later on that. The meaning there. There is no word in Arabic corresponding to a in English as in this is a book. The end sound at the end of the Arabic noun, kitabun or baytun or masjidun, is the Arabic indefinite article corresponding to the English a or an. This end sound is called tanween. The particle hamza placed at the beginning of a statement turns it into a question, which we call it hamza to istifham. And we have an example here. Ahada bayt. Is this a house? This is the vocab that we've learnt. Something that hasn't been mentioned yet is mindil, which is a handkerchief. Mindil, and any other new words? I don't see any new words. No. Lesson 13. الدرس الثاني, the second lesson. ذلك means that. When an object is further away, we say ذلك. When it's near, we say هذا. So the first picture, someone is pointing to a star. Funny looking star. ما ذلك? What is that? ذلك نجم. That is a star. هذا مسجد. This is a masjid. وذلك بيت. And that over there is a house. هذا حصان. This is a horse. And ذلك حمار. And that over there is a donkey. أذلك كلب? Is that a dog over there? لا. No. ذلك قط. That is a cat. ما ذلك? What is that? ذلك السرير. That is a bed. Page 14. من هذا ومن ذلك? Who is this and who is that? هذا مدرس. This is a teacher. وذلك إمام, and that is an imam. ما ذلك? What is that? ذلك حجر. That is a stone. Don't forget ma means what. هذا سكر. This is sugar. وذلك لبن, and that over there is milk. Repeating. مشروب لا. حجر. إمام. Okay. Last page. In this points to remember, in this lesson we learned the use of ذلك, meaning that, and واو, or letter واو, meaning and. Example, this is a house and that is a mosque. هذا بيت وذلك مسجد. Note, ذلك is pronounced ذلك, but it is written without alif, because the alif is not written. But this is how it's read. Number 2, the word well is written close to the following word. It's tucked right behind the following word here. The vocab sukkar, sugar, laban. Don't forget sukkar sounds like sugar, sucrose. Laban is milk, hajar is stone. Imam is, you could say, leader. And next lesson will be lesson 3.